Alright everybody, what are we? Let's look here. I think we're the 15th of May. I'm gonna say, watch the man who wears a watch. I always have a compass on my wrist, so when I go hiking in the woods, forget my Garmin, I'm not lost. I always know what way I need to walk back. So that's a smart man for you. Trying to teach my son, always have a compass on you. Mine just happens to be on my watch. So, May 15th. We're trekking across the water. What a beautiful day. And the cruise ship is in Homer right now. Just got the bow up. Just check this out. Just bouncing along. There's a few little rollers out here, nothing major, just gliding. Just cruising 22 and a half, almost 23. Just on 2 barrels. Oh boys. There's Thor. I'm Maxwell. You say hi? They're just beautiful today. I guess I better watch for debris, but there's some shit in the water here. Man, spectacular. Very rare that this crossing's this nice. Yeah, class. I love it. Oh, we're cruising 23.7 now. We're picking up speed. You know, boat's just cruising nice. Oh boys. All right. Bye. There's my video. I've been working on Argo. I broke the 4-wheeler. Got the Argo going again, but I need a new clutch, so it's down and out. I don't think I'll do much hiking this week. I gotta go in here and work. Gotta pay for parts. So I'll be more than glad to take any donations. Clothing, nice good clothing, you know. Boots. I'm an outdoorsman. You know, I'm thankful for underwear these days. All right. Bye.